You've probably heard people say, YouTube is all about luck. But here's the thing, luck is just a tiny part of the process. If you're here, it's likely because you want to make money on YouTube without showing your face, but you're not sure where to start or what niche to choose. Your niche is key to your success. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest and most profitable niches, the stories niche. You might be thinking, isn't this niche overdone? And while it's true that many people are drawn to it, there's a reason this niche is so popular. It's incredibly profitable and has massive earning potential. Whether it's true crime, urban legends, wisdom stories, or funny tales, the opportunities are endless. The best part? It's super easy to create videos for this niche, and it has massive earning potential. For example, this channel focused on spirituality-based stories with 1.1 million subscribers in no time. And the crazy thing is, all their videos are AI generated. Another channel focuses on urban legends and horror stories. These guys are probably making over $3,000 a month with zero hassle. Now, I know you're thinking, how can I get started? Well, the good news is you don't need to film yourself, write complicated scripts, or hire voice actors. With the right tools, it's all super easy. That's where Clipwise comes in. This AI tool takes care of everything, from generating visuals to narrating your stories. Let me show you how simple it is to get started. Just click the link in the description below to sign up. Here you can either use your email and password or simply sign in with your Google account, whichever works best for you. Once you're in, scroll down to explore Clipwise's user-friendly interface. First, let's set the video language. To do that, simply click here to see the options. Clipwise supports 12 different languages, so you can reach audiences worldwide. For this tutorial, I'll stick with English. Now for the video duration. Since we're creating short-form content, click this button here. You can choose 30, 45, or 60 seconds. I'm going with 60 seconds, but pick whatever length suits your needs. Next up is the pace setting. I'll select regular pace, which gives your video a natural flow, but feel free to use accelerated pace if you want something more dynamic. Here's the cool part, the prompt box. Clipwise is so powerful that it can transform a single line of text into a full 60-second video. You can even paste links from your favorite YouTube videos, and it'll automatically create a short for you using the information on the script. For now, let's drop in our prompt. We will be creating a video on 3 crazy ancient Chinese laws you won't believe existed. You'll find this exact prompt in the description below, and you can modify it for your own projects. Next, let's choose a theme. Click View All to explore all the available options. Take your time browsing through them and pick what works best for your project. I'm going with cinematic for this one. Here's what makes Clipwise really special. Even after hitting Generate, you can make all sorts of adjustments to your video without using up any credits. Pretty cool, right? Once you're on the new interface, you can fine-tune everything, from your clips to the script and voiceover. Let's set up the voice first. I'm choosing a male voice, but you've got options for different accents, including American, Australian, British, and Indian. I will go with American. For age, I'm selecting mid-age, and I'm setting the tone to informative. Now let's check out the voiceover options. Clipwise offers an impressive range, including the popular viral Adam voice from ElevenLabs. Click View All, filter for male voices, and take your time playing through the samples. Trust me, these voices are incredibly realistic. Just listen to this one. For our project, I'm going with John Doe. Here's where it gets even better. Scroll down to your clips, and you'll see you have complete control. Want to edit a clip? Just click the pen icon. Need a completely new clip? Drop in a fresh prompt and hit Regenerate. You can even upload your own clips from your device if you prefer. Each script can be customized too. Remove and replace text or click Add More to expand your video with additional clips and scripts. What's really amazing about Clipwise is how it combines all these options with such a user-friendly interface. And here's the best part. If you're not happy with anything, don't waste time making individual adjustments. Just hit the Regenerate button up here. Don't worry about your credits. Clipwise won't charge you until you click the final button. Pretty generous, right? Okay, let's add the finishing touches on our video. To do this, we click Next to access the editing interface where we'll add background music, captions, and video overlays. Let's start with the background music. Take a listen to the options. They're all professionally crafted. Click View More to explore the full library. Check this one out. Pretty amazing, right? I'm definitely going with this track. But hey, if you've got your own music in mind, you can easily upload it by clicking right here. You've got full control over the volume and speed. I'm keeping mine at the default settings since they sound perfect. Here's a cool feature. You can toggle the transition sounds on or off. I'm keeping mine on because those subtle audio cues really help boost engagement rates. For captions, I'm selecting this template. You've got plenty of customization options. Choose your font style here, pick whether you want your captions centered or at the bottom. I prefer center placement. And select your text color here to make sure it pops against your video. Now for the video overlay, browse through these options to add that extra layer of polish. I'm going with the smoke overlay because it adds just the right amount of atmosphere. Once you're happy with everything, hit Next and let Clipwise work its magic.
Did you know short people had a surprising advantage in ancient China? Back in 200 BC, Emperor Qin Shi Huang stood at just 4 feet 11 inches. A true short king.
The full masterpiece will be revealed at the end of this tutorial. Make sure to watch until the end. Wow. Would you look at that result? Simply click here to download your masterpiece. Let me quickly walk you through Clipwise's pricing options. They offer a generous free trial with 2 video generations, so you can test out the platform before committing. Ready to unlock unlimited creativity? Here are the subscription plans. The starter plan is perfect if you're just beginning your content journey. At $25 per month, you get 40 premium quality videos. That's less than $1 per video. For more serious creators, there's the Creator Plan at $39 monthly. This gives you a whopping 200 video generations, split between 80 premium videos and 120 standard ones. It's ideal if you're posting content regularly. And for those who need unlimited potential, check out the business plan. They're currently running a special launch discount, just $63 per month instead of the regular $79. That's a 20% savings for unlimited video creation. The best part? All paid plans remove watermarks, so your videos look completely professional. Plus, you get access to bulk video creation features, making your content workflow super efficient. Choose the plan that matches your content goals and start creating stunning videos today. Before we play our final result, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Drop a like, share this with anyone who might need it, and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you're planning to create with Clipwise. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Did you know short people had a surprising advantage in ancient China? Back in 200 BC, Emperor Qin Shi Huang stood at just 4 feet 11 inches, a true short king. His laws stated that you had to be as tall as him to be considered an adult. For shorter men, this meant they could claim to be children, avoiding adult responsibilities and punishments. Since birth records were unreliable, height became the key measure of adulthood. But here's the catch. If you met the height requirement, you had to control your emotions. Crying was seen as weakness, and men caught shedding tears were punished by having their beards and eyebrows shaved off, a public mark of shame. For women, things were even more unusual. During the Qin dynasty, brides-to-be followed a unique crying ritual. Before marriage, a woman was expected to cry for 1 hour every day for an entire month. Her mother joined her for 3 weeks, her grandmother for 2, and finally, aunts and other female relatives for the last week. This ritual symbolized love and grief as she prepared to leave her family behind.